What's up guys, Dan here for TechDissected.com, and today I have an unboxing of the Monster iCABLE 800 auxiliary cable. This is the 3-foot Listen edition. Opening the cover flap on the box, we are greeted with all the specifications about the trademark production crap that no one cares about, as well as some warranty papers. Going ahead and actually opening the packaging, we have the cable itself and some more papers. It's amazing how much packaging Monster used. It's definitely not an eco-friendly box. Taking a closer look at the cable itself, it seems really sturdy and has a professional / high quality look to it. The tips are plated in 24 karat gold and the Monster logo on them. It is also separated far enough to fit my phone without having to remove my case, which is always a plus. That is all, and thanks for watching.